Get some me time on the
Okay, y'all, so let's install this OCTSUN wig. It was sent to me by Wesface Hair, Amazon, and it's linked in my Amazon storefront account. I am not the best at installing wigs, so we're gonna be beginners and we're gonna do this together, right? So there's the wig in all of her glory. It had 4 clips and the little tightening straps in the back. I'm using the Fenty Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put that all over the lace, and eventually I'm gonna put it all over my wig cap. But right now you see me finna cut the lace around my ears. Yeah, this is the best way for me to do it because I hate trying to do it the other way and then I can't see where I'm finna cut it. Girl, it just do not work. I promise. Just do it this way. Okay, so here I am actually applying it to my wig cap, and this is just going to help you get a nice blend so that it looks more natural once you start laying everything down. I'm using the Eben lace bond. I just feel like the sports one works better. So once I get it all sprayed on, I'm going to take a blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry it, and when it's dry, cut it. I don't know why it didn't show me cutting it, but here I am just cleaning it all up, making sure it's nice and tinted and matching my scalp. So here's the wig, and she is beautiful, y'all. She is soft, she is gorgeous, she's giving everything. Here I'm just showing the tightening straps, and I'm gonna put mine all the way like to where they dang near touch each other because my head is so small. That's the only way it's gonna fit, y'all. But once again, it does have 4 combs, the front, both sides, and the back. But I would personally recommend sewing an elastic band on the back of it. So I'm clipping it back so that I can lay the lace down without anything getting in my way. And this is me finishing off. So see, I put the markers and now I can finish off just cutting around my ear, and it's not as confusing. After doing both sides, I spray around my hairline again so that this time I can lay the lace down on top of the cap. And this is me holding it down, but then I'm going to cut it into 3s because it's easier to hold it down that way. And as I'm holding it down, I start in the middle, and then I'm going to spray that down like you see me doing here. I comb the hairs back so that it's not all tangled, and then I apply the blow dryer, and then I put the band on top of it once everything is done. Listen, trust the process, okay? I'm gonna take a straight razor and I'm gonna cut the lace off. It's easier to do it that way. Once I get the lace off, I'm going to separate out my baby hairs. I don't really like baby hairs, but I'm gonna do these little sideburns and maybe just a little tiny bit of baby hair, I think. So I realized I did not have a freaking hot comb, and so I had to improvise. But this is me taking my spritz and going in between layers of the hair and spritzing and then straightening, spritzing and then straightening, and that's how I got it pretty flat. It worked pretty well. I need to get me a new hot comb though, because that was torturous. Okay, and here I go burning that scalp. So be careful not to get it too close to your lace or you'll be like me. And here I am perfecting my part, making sure it's crispy, spritzing it down. Don't put too much spritz because then it's gonna be like stiff. We don't want stiff. And here I'm gonna style it for you guys. I just want to do like a wavy kind of look, not necessarily like super curled. So you're gonna see me kind of curl it back so that I can comb it out afterwards, and it's gonna be more of a waved look. I forgot to add that I did have to wash this hair because it did come with a really strong smell, but in my opinion, a lot of the wigs that I've gotten off of Amazon do. So I just washed it with a little conditioner and shampoo mix. I used the Aussie Moist conditioner and it worked really well. I just recommend that you would let it air dry instead of blow dry. So now that we're approaching the front, I do want to say that this wig was extremely soft. If you're a beginner, I definitely recommend this wig. It was short, so it was easy to work with, not having all that hair frustrate and stress me out. The lace was a little rough, but it wasn't like impossible, and I think that kind of helped. But this is how it looked in the end, and I love it. Like, do you see? What lace? What lace? I could have did better, but what lace? Right? Right. Okay. Also, I did not bleach the knots, and I hardly plucked because I don't know how to pluck because I don't know what I'm doing. And as you can see, I am feeling myself. Like, I love it. Honestly, I would order a longer one. I think I got this in the bag now, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know. All right, y'all, now that I'm done serving y'all looks, I do want to say that make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because there's a lot more coming. Love you guys. Bye.